got Brad Block on the phone with Factura.ai. He's helping a lot of pizzeria owners and operators out there. We're going to talk with him. Thanks for taking the time today, Bradley.
Hey, Chris. Thank you so much for having me.
Can we talk about how Factura.ai can help pizzeria owners and operators out there?
Yeah, definitely. So what Factura.ai is AP automation, so accounts payable automation software for multi-unit restaurants. And what we find with some of our pizza customers, Papa John's, Mod Pizza, is that, they're multi-unit operators of the brand itself. They've got stores, within separate states, within their own states, but outside of a headquarters where head office is doing most of the processing. And what happens is you get invoices either at the store level, you get invoices sent to head office, it comes in a paper copy, it comes in an email copy. Sometimes you even have to go into the vendor portal to pull the invoices from your vendors. And so, it's tedious to get all that information and eventually send it off to head office for someone to manually enter that information into your accounting software. In addition, you may need an approval process. So if someone says, I'm spending $5,000 on this item, someone's got to approve it within your company, as a signature. And so how do you get them to efficiently sign off on all purchases made in your company? And so our customers utilize our software to automate that process. And what that means is we set up one email address for your entire business, and we get all of your invoices flowing into one centralized system. From there, our system automatically extracts all the information from the invoice, automatically codes the GL to whatever item the items need to be GL coded to. It extracts all the information and knows which location this invoice belongs to. It knows which holding company this information belongs to. So if you're let's say a multi-brand operator, or you're even a multi-entity operator and you've got different locations within different entities, our system understands how that works from an accounting perspective and also from an information gathering perspective on what to do. And then from there, it'll send off the invoices for approval if you need an approval for those invoices. So what we do is we work with you, the customers, and to create a customized workflow for them, whereby if an item needs to get signed off by a general manager or a district manager or an executive or a marketing department or wherever, our system automatically will route that invoice for approval to get all the signatures. And once that happens, the invoice will then come back to AP to get reviewed, just to make sure that everything worked 100%, and for AP to deal with any exceptions, so if there's any rejections of those invoices. And ultimately, we push that information off to the accounting system, and really it streamlines that entire process for your business to make sure that you're putting in accurate financial information into your accounting system, that you're paying your vendors accurately, and also that you're closing your books on time. Because if you're waiting for approvers to sign off on items, or you're waiting for the invoices to flow through your system and things are manual, one, it gets lost, and two, it just takes time. And so having an automated system like Factura.ai really speeds up that entire process, and just makes your overall organization more efficient, and also allows you to scale faster. So as an example, one of our Papa John's customers, started off with 18 restaurants on our platform, and they've been able to scale. Right now, they've grown to 68 restaurants, and they're just acquiring another group, and they're going to grow to over 100 restaurants within the Papa John's franchise, still utilizing the same amount of AP people. So the system allows you to really scale without having to add on extra bodies to manually process those invoices.
Absolutely beautiful. Brad, thank you so much. Can we, how can people reach out? What's the best way to reach out to Factura?
Yep, so check us out at Factura.ai. That's Factura.ai. Or you can shoot me a note at Bradley@Factura.ai.
All right. Brad from Factura, thank you so much for taking the time. Appreciate it.
Chris, thank you so much for having me.